Good afternoon, coming to you from RawMaxx Trailers, Houston, Texas. I've already got a lot of people asking about dump trailer inventory for Florida cleanup. Wasn't really sure how fast people are going to be getting on that conversation, because people are not even really getting back to really see what the destruction is all about. But I do have a few people in the Fort Myers area that are saying it's a lot worse than people think it is, and people are already asking about dump trailers. Two different things. Number one, I'll be partnering with a friend of mine, dealership down there in that area. We'll be shipping him probably several hundred units. But I also have some people already asking, wanting to know what we have on the ground right now, ready to go at my Texas stores. We do have a lot of inventory. I don't have the exact number per location. I had someone do a very quick pull of the inventory for me. On some ballpark numbers of what we have, but and I'll get that to you here in a second. Got a ton of these 4-foot side dump trailers. Got them in the LoneStars and got them in the PJs. And we also have, I'm told we have about 160 of these roll-off dumpster trailers, and we have somewhere in the ballpark of 500 dumpster boxes. And that is, of course, that's spread out between all of my stores. Tons of them at all stores. So let's see how we can help you guys. Not really sure exactly how big this needs to be, but usually figure that out about a week or two after one of those big disasters. And so let me go ahead and get to the numbers as far as inventory goes. We've got over 300 of the LoneStar 14-foot bumper pull dump trailers, and we've got about 150 of the PJ trailers, LoneStar bumper pull dump trailers, and we've got somewhere in the ballpark of about 100 gooseneck PJ trailers, dump trailers, and then we've got about 20 of the big tandem dual 20-foot, 4-foot, 6-foot high side dump trailers. I don't see one here. I'm sitting on this side of the yard right now, but for those of you in this business know what I'm talking about. So we do have a lot of inventory, got a lot of stuff. For those of you that need it right away, hit us up. Just call any of the nationwide trailer stores. Look us up online or on Facebook, and we do have all the inventory. And again, I will be helping some of our friends in the Florida area by shipping some of the inventory to them as well. So for those of you who need it like yesterday, we've got it.